love, she'd often forget where she was or who she was with. A proud thoughts would take over. One minute she's in a stylish penthouse apartment. Next, a Nazi concentration camp, surrounded by barbed wire fences, spotlights, and machine gun turrets. The stormtrooper grabs her by the hair and drags her to a laboratory where they plan to use her for medical experiments. The room reeks of cigarettes, whiskey, and dry blood. She feels the stinging cold as her naked body is tightly strapped to a metal gurney. Sharp objects begin poking and slicing into her. She screams, but only a muffled moan emanates from her black mouth. Then, on the verge of unconsciousness, the gurney is suddenly hoisted vertically and she tumbles off head first into an ice-cold river. Bobbies and turbulent currents, gasping for each breath, desperately attempting to grab hold of anything, but the current is strong and the rocks are slippery. She bounces and crashes until she reaches a shallow pool, her bruised, beaten, and sliced body numbed in the cold glory on the rocky shore. With the last ounce of strength, she lifts her head just a few inches. She watches as thousands of crabs and crayfish crawl out from under the rocks, cover her body, then begin to feast. Then suddenly she's back in the penthouse. She looks into the eyes of her lover and fakes an orgasm. He notices her tears and thinks to himself, damn, I'm good. Was that a guitar solo or what was that?
Yeah, baby.
It was a guitar.
Yeah.
Phil Feather.
And Phil Feather!
That's Miss Thang.
Dangerous Dan!
All the people that just left are really disappointed now.
Hello, lovely. We're doing something for you, baby.
Dangerous Dan just had a